Please subscribe.
Good morning, each and every one. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Welcome back to Davesplay. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. In this video, you're going to learn to lose. Because in order to win, you have to lose. But we want to lose small, all right? And sometimes when you're hot, and when you're not, you're not. Trades are not working out. You can't do anything right. You have to take a break. I took a break for about a year when I almost wiped out my account. Options. I started to trade options without, first trying to learn. And I almost blew my account, all right? SRNE, I tweeted this one yesterday afternoon when it was in the sevens. I said, watch if it goes over 805. 805. Someone replied to me and asked me, why 805? That was a good question. She's smart. This is why I do a stock list. You have to track price action. A few days ago, I think it was September the 1st, SRNE, the high of the day was 805. I know if it could impale 805, it's a strong indication. The stock opened up at 40% this morning in the AH. I held overnight. I cashed out 55% of my holdings. That was an easy overnight trade, swing trade we call it. I wish I had some options. I wish I had some call options. I got to start practicing options because the gains are too huge to ignore. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be liquidating not fully liquidating, but I want to be about 80% in cash in my Robinhood account. I'm going to be focusing on midterm to long-term hold and option trade. And my Webull account, I'll do day trades and swing trades, in and out. All right. Regarding another loss that I had, Tilray, the ganja stock, Tilray. A few years ago, I think it was 2018 or 2017, that stock was so hot. I was stalking this stock from $19, and no exaggeration, this stock jumped 30-40% daily. I'm watching this thing, I'm like, okay, time for me to get in. It was already at about $100 by the time I got in. That's how fast it was moving. Tilray. With my greedy self, I said, I'm going to go in heavy. The stock was at $300 at this time. Remember the stock, I'm stalking it from in the teens. So you imagine that move all the way up to $300. So I'm saying, I'm going in heavy. I went in heavy. Boom, that was the high, 300, all the way down. I think it dropped 50%. I took a break from trading for a year and focus on some real estate development. So it's good to take a break, all right? Take a break, take a couple of days off, a week off, and then come back to the market if nothing's happening, all right? Your mind has to be right. If your mind is not right, wait till your mind is right. This is a tough game, all right? Let's cut this. Davesplay. I have two plays for you. These two plays are SPs, in and out. Maybe you could hold for a couple of days. Let's see. First, I'm going to go into yesterday's recap. The Dow Jones closed flat, 28,054. 28,054, the Dow Jones. The Nasdaq closed down 1.25% at 11,050. Okay. Kodak, Davesplay, they closed up 37% at 851. The stock opened up at 648, went as high as 1144. The low on the day, 814. All right. The volume on the day was 187 million shares exchange hands. Contrast that with their average volume, 27 million. Kodak. Day's bonus play was ARWR. The stock closed up 40%. This stock was very volatile for a high price stock. All right, the stock closed at 47.43. I told you watch for a pullback below 50, but I didn't know it was going to go so far. The low of the day was 40 bucks. That was a nice entrance, because I started to add at 49 and all in the 48s. All right, the high of the day was 53.12. So the stock opened up at 40 bucks, went as high as 53, and the low of the day, 40 bucks. ARWR. All right. Get your free stocks now. 3 free stocks. Webull, the way to go. So the volume on the day for ARWR was 24 million compared to the average volume of 1.4 million. Please go ahead and like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if this kind of content is for you. Please share the video. I also did my first live last night. I'll be doing random lives, okay? We spoke a little bit, we text a little bit back and forth about IDEX, SRNE, KTAV, OGen, Snow. All right? Let's delve forward into today's play. Today's play is NESV. This one is a spec play, in and out. They're up 100% at a quarter. They have a market cap of 6.8 million, 35 million in the float. 16% are insiders. First of all, the company came out with news. They're negotiating with their lenders. All right, so 16% of the float are insiders. 33% of the float, institutions, and 9% of the float are shorts. They have a gross profit of 8.4 million. This company has potential as soon as they get their debt load under control. All right, their leverage free cash flow is positive 2.16 million. Let me repeat that. Their leverage free cash flow is positive 2.16 million. All right, total cash in hand 429,000. I know some of you have more than that. Total cash in the company right now 429,000. Total debt a whopping 40.31 million. So let me repeat that. Total cash 400 grand. Total debt 40 million. Common sense tells you the company is broke. They have no cash. That brings them to a current ratio of a lousy 0.09. 0.09. That is very poor. All right, let's move forward to Dave's bonus play. This one is a bigger company. However, it is very volatile. This is 181 million float. And get this, 29% of the float are shorts. The company I'm talking about is SRNE. SRNE is in the big C sector. They came out with news regarding their FDA clearance. The stock spiked 25% as I'm doing this video. They're at 1044. They have a market cap of 1.57 billion with a B. All right. 34% of the float are insiders. 18% of the float institutions, and shorts, as I mentioned, 29%, very high. Okay, they have a total cash in pocket 24.39 million and a total debt of 221 million. What did I say? So you see that ratio is skewed. They're below par. The current ratio is 0.6. 0.6. So be very careful with these two, all right? Wow, this company, look at the average volume. The average volume for SRNE is 41 million. I can't imagine the volume right now. 41 million. A lot of trading activities going on with SRNE. Good luck to you guys. That's all I have for now. Follow me on Twitter for alerts at @DuppyTeeth. All right. And you make your next trade your best trade. Set your stop loss. Take some profits. Don't be greedy. 1 minute it's there. The next minute the profit is gone. Okay? See you on the next one. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. If you'd like to take advantage of nice prices in the pre, trading starts at 4 a.m. with Webull. Webull, the way to go. You will get 3 free stocks. Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. Catch me at the one.
Gotta get things done, you know?